Lemon ginger tea is a type of herbal tea that is made with a combination of fresh lemon juice, grated ginger, and hot water. This tea has a number of potential health benefits, including boosting the immune system, aiding in digestion, and relieving pain and inflammation. Lemon ginger tea can be enjoyed hot or cold and is typically caffeine-free. Number 1. Aids in digestion. Lemon ginger tea is a great way to help with digestion. The ginger in the tea helps to stimulate the production of stomach acid, which aids in the breakdown of food. The lemon helps to keep the stomach acid from becoming too acidic, which can lead to heartburn and indigestion. Number 2. Helps to relieve nausea. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for nausea. The lemon in the tea can also help to relieve nausea. Number 3. Soothes a sore throat. The lemon in the tea can help to soothe a sore throat. The ginger in the tea can also help to reduce inflammation and swelling. Number 4. Helps to reduce fever. Lemon ginger tea can help to reduce a fever. The lemon helps to break down the fever-causing bacteria. The ginger in the tea can also help to reduce inflammation and swelling. Number 5. Helps to relieve a cough. The lemon in the tea can help to thin mucus and help to relieve a cough. The ginger in the tea can also help to reduce inflammation and swelling. Number 6. Helps to boost the immune system. The lemon helps to fight off infection. Number 7. Helps to detoxify the body. Lemon ginger tea can help to detoxify the body. The lemon helps to flush out toxins. Number 8. Aids in weight loss. Lemon ginger tea can help to aid in weight loss. Lemon helps to boost metabolism. Number 9. Helps to improve circulation. Lemon ginger tea can help to improve circulation. The lemon helps to improve blood flow. Number 10. Helps to reduce stress. Lemon ginger tea can help to reduce stress. The lemon helps to balance hormones.